Hello, my name is Scott Lloyd. Um, I'm a graduate of Texas State. I studied manufacturing engineering, graduated in 2005. I'm currently the PLM manager at Applied Materials. So, some of the things I learned from Texas State really are the hands on approach to solving problems. I really appreciated the class size was small enough, having transferred from UT, where you got a lot of hands on experience. Working with fellow students, being able to work on robots and have the lab time and the equipment to really, do things instead of just learn things. That translated very well to my career here at Applied Materials. Absolutely, I still work with Dr. A and actually Dr. who's in Texas A&M Corpus Christi. Um, we're always talking about the latest and greatest technology, what we're doing at Applied, and how we can improve the curriculum at Texas State to leverage those things. This is my first year of acting in that role, and our primary responsibilities are providing guidance to the faculty on the curriculum that's being taught, and additionally, we work on identifying funding sources to help support the university. Yes, I know we've had this conversation before, but yeah, the interns bring a wealth of experience and knowledge. A lot of the um, employees here have been here for a long time, myself included. I've been here for 20 years, and it helps to bring in students to help change your perspective, and a fresh set of eyes on things help solve problems in a different way.
My name is Landon Alexander. I graduated from Texas State University in 2019 with a bachelor's in manufacturing engineering and mechanical systems concentration. I currently work for Applied Materials as a build manufacturing engineer in our MDP department. Yeah, so while I was at Texas State, I did take advantage of our ability to have a co-op program. I worked for Applied Materials for I think 16 months year-round. So not only was it an internship, but it was also a stable form of income for me and for my family while I was doing so, and that directly led to the position I'm in now. So I'm very grateful for that opportunity, both from Texas State and from Applied Materials. Absolutely. So having fellow Texas State alumni here at Applied Materials, one, there's just the bit of camaraderie, which is always nice, especially at somewhere like Applied Materials where you can kind of feel lost in the crowd. And I do attribute Texas State directly to being able to get my internship here. My hiring manager was a Texas State alumni. I know that made me stand out when interviewing, and as I mentioned, that internship directly translated into a full-time role with a good company, good benefits, good salary. I think the biggest thing is to not try to overthink anything, and don't try to have expectations of exactly what you want to do whenever you get out. There's going to be different opportunities, there's going to be different fields that open up, and I think having that open mindset and being flexible and able to do all kinds of things will only help benefit you. I think it is beneficial to pay attention to the things you're learning, think about how that could apply to a real world situation and not just an exam or coursework, and slowly those things will resurface throughout your professional career.